So I am back with a follow-up video of more of the turkey wings that I prepared. These were done in the air fryer, and I have two different variations here. And so on the right, we have where you can see the wing and the drumstick, and they're split because the other one is a whole one. But this one is a Carolina barbecued flavored version. And so I'm going to actually tell you how I prepared both of these, but I'm also going to talk a little bit about how I prepared the sauce. So they both are seasoned with Chicka Licka Bam Bam seasoning. And then I made a Carolina barbecue sauce, but what I did in addition to the one that's already prepared is that I melted butter and a little bit of ketchup, and then the Carolina barbecue sauce, and then I put these in a bag with the wings and just did the shake, and then I put them back in the air fryer so that they could bake, that sauce could bake on them. And so then here on the left we have just the plain Chicka Licka Bam Bam seasoned wing, and this is a whole wing. But also there's a glaze, so the au jus sauce or so that was left over from the cooking, I sort of mixed that, with a little bit more of the Chicka Licka Bam Bam seasoning, and then thickened it a little bit, and then put that on and put it back in the air fryer. And so there we have it. So that has a nice little glaze on it. And so yeah, so I just wanted to feature this. And if you would like to see the other wings that I prepared with other sauces and just the plain Chicka Licka Bam Bam, then there's going to be a link below in the description to that particular video as well. And so I have the recipe for these within the description. Okay, so I'll be back with more videos soon.